Hey guys, this is Black. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, we'll discuss about Java operators. Java operators are symbols used to perform operations on variables and values. The main categories of Java operators are arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, and bitwise operators. What are arithmetic operators? Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operations on numeric data types such as integers, floating point numbers, and characters. These operators can be used with data types like byte, short, int, long, float, double, and the char type, as well as with expressions that evaluate to these types. Here are the arithmetic operators available in Java. Addition adds two operands. Subtraction subtracts the right operand from the left operand. Multiplication multiplies two operands. Division divides the left operand by the right operand. Modulus returns the remainder of the division of the left operand by the right operand. Increment increases the value of the operand by 1. Decrement decreases the value of the operand by 1. In this statement, num1 variable of type int is initialized with value 5. num2 variable of type int is initialized with value 3. In this statement, num1 variable value is added to the value of num2 to get a sum of 8. In this statement, the value of num1 is subtracted by the value of num2 to get a difference 2. In this statement, the value of num1 variable and the value of num2 variable are multiplied to get a product 15. In this statement, num1 value is divided by num2 variable value to get a quotient. Since we are using int data type, only the whole number part of the division is returned and the decimal part is ignored. In this statement, the expression num1 modulus num2 returns the remainder of division, which is in this case 2. In this statement, count variable of type int is initialized to 0. The statement count plus plus increments the value of the count variable by 1. The statement count minus minus decrements the value of the variable by 1. What are relational operators? In Java, relational operators are used to compare two values and determine the relationship between them. These operators return a Boolean value, either true or false, based on the comparison result. Here are the relational operators in Java. Equality operator checks if the value of two operands are equal or not. If yes, then the condition becomes true. Inequality operator checks if the values of two operands are not equal. If yes, then the condition becomes true. Greater than operator checks if the value of left operand is greater than the value of the right operand. If yes, then the condition becomes true. Less than operator checks if the value of the left operand is less than the value of right operand. If yes, then the condition becomes true. Greater than or equal to operator checks if the value of the left operand is greater than or equal to the value of right operand. If yes, then the condition becomes true. Less than or equal to operator checks if the value of left operand is less than or equal to the value of right operand. If yes, then the condition becomes true. In this example, num1 variable of type int is initialized with value 5. num2 variable of type int is initialized with value 3. In if statement, the expression num1 equal to num2 returns false and the if block will not be executed. In else if statement, the expression num1 not equal to num2 returns true and the else if block will be executed. The text num1 is not equal to num2 will be printed to the console. In this example, the if statement checks for the expression num1 less than num2, which is false, so if block will not be executed. In else if statement, the expression num1 greater than num2 returns true and the else if block will be executed. The text num1 is greater than num2 will be printed to the console. In this example, the if statement checks for the expression num1 less than or equal to num2, which is false. So the if block will not be executed. In else if statement, the expression num1 greater than or equal to num2 returns true and the else if block will be executed. So num1 is greater than or equal to num2 text will be printed to the console. What are logical operators? In Java, logical operators are used to perform logical operations on Boolean expressions. These operators allow you to combine multiple conditions to form more complex conditions. There are three main logical operators in Java. Logical AND. This operator returns true if both operands are true, otherwise it returns false. Logical OR. This operand returns true if at least one of the operand is true, otherwise it returns false. Logical NOT. This operator is a unary operator and it is used to negate the value of a Boolean expression. If the expression is true, it returns false, and if the expression is false, it returns true. These logical operators are often used in combination with relational operators within condition statements like if, while, for loops, etc. to control the flow of the program based on the multiple conditions. In this statement, variable a of type boolean is initialized to true. The variable b of type boolean is initialized to false. In this statement, the expression a ampersand b returns false. In this statement, the expression a pipe b returns true. In this statement, exclamation a returns false. What are assignment operators? In Java, the assignment operator equal to is used to assign a value to a variable. It assigns the value of the expression on its right hand side to the variable on its left hand side. The assignment operator can also be combined with other operators to perform compound assignment. Compound assignment operators. In Java, compound assignment operators are shorthand notation for performing an operation and assigning the result to the left operand. They combine an arithmetic or bitwise operation with the assignment operator. Here are the compound assignment operators available in Java. Addition and assignment. Adds the value of right operand to the value of left operand and assigns the result to the left operand. Subtraction and assignment. Subtracts the value of the right operand from the value of left operand and assigns the result to the left operand. Multiplication and assignment. Multiplies the value of left operand by the value of right operand and assigns the result to the left operand. Division and assignment. Divides the value of left operand by the value of right operand and assigns the result to left operand. Modulus and assignment. Computes the remainder of the division of the value of the left operand by the value of right operand and assigns the result to the left operand. Compound assignment operators are commonly used to make code more concise and readable, especially when performing arithmetic operations on variables. In this statement, addition and assignment operator is used. num2 plus equal to num1 is same as num2 equal to num2 plus num1. In this statement, subtraction and assignment operator is used. num2 minus equal to num1 is same as num2 equal to num2 minus num1. In this statement, multiplication and assignment operator is used. num2 asterisk equal to num1 is same as num2 equal to num2 asterisk num1. In this statement, division and assignment operator is used. num2 slash equal to num1 is same as num2 equal to num2 divided by num1. In this statement, modulus and assignment operator is used. num2 modulus equal to num1 is same as num2 equal to num2 modulus num1. What are bitwise operators? In Java, bitwise operators are used to perform operations on individual bits of integer operands. These operators are commonly used in low-level programming such as in embedded systems, device drivers, and cryptography. Here are the bitwise operators available in Java. Bitwise AND performs a bitwise AND operation on each pair of corresponding bits. The result bit is set to 1 if both corresponding bits are 1, otherwise it's set to 0. Bitwise OR performs a bitwise OR operation on each pair of corresponding bits. The result bit is set to 1 if at least one of the corresponding bits is 1. Bitwise NOT performs a bitwise NOT complement operation on each bit, flipping ones to zeros and zeros to 1. These bitwise operators can be used to manipulate individual bits within integers, enabling efficient operations at binary level. In this statement, variable a of type int is initialized with value 5. The corresponding bit representation of 5 is 0101. In this statement, variable b of type int is initialized with value 3. The corresponding binary representation of 3 is 0011. In this statement, the expression a ampersand b performs bitwise AND operation to return result 1. In this statement, the expression a pipe b performs a bitwise OR operation to return result 7. In this statement, the expression tilde a performs bitwise NOT operation to return result 10. What is a conditional operator? The conditional operator, also known as the ternary operator, is represented by question mark colon. It is a shorthand way to write an if-else statement, and it is used to evaluate a Boolean expression. Its syntax is condition question mark expression 1 colon expression 2. If the condition evaluates to true, the value of the entire expression is expression 1. Otherwise, it's expression 2. In this statement, variable a of type int is initialized with value 5. Variable b of type int is initialized with value 3. In this statement, we are using conditional operator to determine whether a is greater than b. Max variable will be assigned with value of a if a is greater than b. Otherwise, it will be assigned with the value of b. In this statement, the value of max will be printed to console, which is 5, since a is greater than b. That's it for the video, guys. If you enjoy the content, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.